The building's about a little over 11,000 square feet. It's going to have 4 SPED classrooms. It's going to have 4 regular classrooms, and then we have men's and women's restroom, and then we have a meeting center for special ed and a couple offices for them also. It's the last building that we did was only 4 classrooms. This one's 8. It's double the size. And our maintenance crew's hard at it, working at it. Electricians, all the carpenters. There's Eduardo. We're able to do a lot more things in-house. And the other last 2 buildings, which would have been Peterson and Henley Middle, we were also able to do the same thing with those. We were able to get engineers' estimates, and we were able to save the taxpayer money on those last 2 projects also. And this is one of the out of the monies that the district borrowed. This is one of the last building that we'll be doing, and they're talking about possibly in the future maybe doing some more. So, as you can see, there's 2 green modulars, and then there's a modular over here in the corner. That new classroom is going to replace those 3, which because we're getting rid of those, we're still picking up a lot more square footage and a lot more classroom space, and it's more modern. As you can see, they're falling apart. You can look at the 2 green ones, and then the red one, they're outdated, and they're ready to go. They've served their purpose. Okay, this building right here came out to be in-house built, was just a little under $2 million. We had an engineer's estimate. It came out about 2.3 or 2.4. So we're able to save the taxpayer a little bit of money in the long run, and actually getting a bigger bang for the taxpayer's buck.